Can Presale Cleaning help increase the value of my property?
Absolutely. A thorough professional Presale Clean can dramatically increase the perceived value of your property. And in real estate, perception drives price. When buyers walk into a home that smells clean, sparkles in photos, and feels move-in ready, they're not mentally deducting costs for things to fix. Instead, they're emotionally connecting with the space. That emotional connection can translate into stronger offers, quicker decisions, and better negotiation leverage. In fact, real estate agents consistently report that professionally cleaned homes sell faster. They attract more buyer interest. They often sell for thousands more, even in competitive markets. A clean home equals a well-loved home. Buyers assume that if the home is spotless, it's been cared for in other ways too. Plumbing, electrical, structure. That subconscious trust can give you a serious edge. At Clean House Melbourne, we've helped dozens of homeowners unlock hidden property value just by presenting their home at its absolute best, with results that speak for themselves.